Hello everyone, this is Russell Carlin. This is my week 1 review video. And for this week I didn't do anything really extra, but my app is all Halloween based. As you can see, there's a pumpkin for the little icon here. And you can't really see the loading screen because it just comes up so quickly, but I have it's a bunch of things from Halloween, and I just have them all categorized, and you click them and it gives you a little info about them. You can see, and then you close it, and that's just a view that comes in from the side. And all of them are different, of course. And I even have Santa on here, just because I needed one more. And have the delete mode, and you can just sit there and delete all these. One thing I wanted to do extra was add an add button to add more of them, but I just didn't have time this week. This week was really tight, so I didn't have time to add the add button. But for the code, everything was pretty close to the videos, but I added extra. I have categories for each one for the 2 strings here, and the names just get built by that. It goes by the whatever the category is, and then it has dash and then the name, and then I have descriptions, and we'll see how those all work later. For my on clicks, just the delete button and then the close button here, they both have the on click, and it's just a switch statement, and the button tag is for 0 is just the turns editing mode on and off, and it just sees if it's already on, and if it's on then it turns it off, and if it's off then it turns it on, and just sets it editing to false. So that's pretty simple. The close the view just sets the frame to the outside when you hit the button. So as you can see, it animates when it comes out, but then for the unclick, you click the button and it animates it back out. So simple stuff. For the number of rows, I just set it to the count of my things, which is the array for all the everything here. This here is for my custom cell. It sets it all to down here, this view, this custom view cell here. And then it also populates those names that I was talking about before with the different arrays up here, these 2 arrays. It takes the category and then the name, and then it builds a string for it, and then sets that to the title or the label in the custom cell here. And so that's how that worked. I didn't do the if statement. I just set it to the first view because I knew there was only one view. So I just set it to the object at index 0. So it was a little bit shorter than what was in the videos, but it still works just because I know that there's only one there, so might as well just use the one. Down here, this is where the animating for the details, and it just does sets the frame and animates it. And then for the descriptions, it sets the name of whatever the row was up here, so you know what you clicked on, and then it sets the description based on whatever the category is, because I have 5, I believe, different descriptions, and then they're just based off of everything, all the different categories here. And then the last is for the delete, to actually delete the objects that you want to delete, and it deletes from it deletes it for the row, and then also deletes the category and the things, and from those 2 arrays. And it has to do both of them because if I only deleted just the things and I left the categories there, it would mess it all up, and then when you click the descriptions, they would be all jumbled and messed up. So that should be all for this week, all the code and everything. Like I said, I really wanted to get the add button in just for some extra practice, and it just kind of, I don't know, pet peeve of mine. I kind of like to have all the things I can think of into it, so I actually probably will end up adding that later, but I just couldn't get to it this week. So, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next week.